Many people would come and say to us, no, you should make money work for you. Why do you work for money? You should make money work for you. But nobody would tell you how. I mean, how do you make money work for you? I work with children of various categories. I'm a soft skill trainer.
I teach the guitar, the keyboards and singing. When I was young, I was definitely educated by my mom, to save money. That's one thing which was priority, which I learned from my mom.
I come from a background where we never saved. So the first week of the month was very nice because everyone's salary would come in. By the time we're in the second week, it was like, it was terrible. So I had made up my mind that when I have my own family, saving would be a priority. We knew that we had to save, but we really didn't know how. So our means of saving was, okay, let's take an insurance to save tax. The insurance amount should be this much. We should be investing in PPF this much, so we don't pay tax. So for us, saving was like to be exempted from that tax.
When Jude and Monisha came to our office, they were slightly worried over that. Is it the right kind of plan that we are holding? Because all these plans, they were paying a lot of premium on an annual basis, and they were not looking very comfortable paying that particular premium. So it was important for us to correct that particular thing, recommend whether the plan is a right plan that they need to continue or it is a wrong one, wherein even if you barely face certain amount of loss, that's perfectly fine, but you come out of that.
Christmas, every Christmas we would have, okay, we want to give a good Christmas, have a good Christmas, but Christmas comes on 25th, so by the time it's the end of the year, a month, so paisa nahi hai, to bhi kya karenge? So dig into your savings. So that used to happen year after year after year. And once we met Rajesh and Neelam and the whole Think team, we started putting down priorities. Ki nahi, abhi if we have to, kind of have a good Christmas, then we need to put down this money on a monthly basis. That time we had the thought, but we should not do it. So now we are doing it deliberately, purposefully. We are doing it. Tax planning now in the last 2 years, I think has happened. This year, I think has happened in April itself. So these are little things which give you so much of bliss and so much of peace. You go for a vacation, you're not bothered ki nahi, you have to dig into your savings and go for a vacation. You already planned for it. So you have a good vacation. When you're on a vacation, you're not worried abhi kaun sa debit card ya kaun sa credit card swipe karu. You're doing payments in cash. You're peaceful.
Use their existing portfolio, commented on what's right in their portfolio, what has to be maintained in the portfolio, explained them each and everything in detail, did a lot of hand-holding, after which the clients have got convinced to go in for a financial plan. And today when I see my clients, when I look back, I see them, they are really stress-free. So indirectly, we have become a stress buster for our clients.
Another incident was when it came to investing into liquid funds, which could be used. So we were always under the impression that agar ek baar FD mein dalo, you invest it in something, then it's blocked for 3 months, and there's a kind of a penalty if you get it out and you lose some kind of money. But she also recommended to us something into liquid funds, which that's the term that we learned from her, and now kind of we speak about it. So these are the 2 or 3 instances where she has really come up with very quick thinking, and she's guided us very well. When you are investing your money, when you are kind of putting your hard-earned money into something, you expect to know how your funds are doing, and that is what a good financial planner will be able to tell you at any point of time, giving you reports. Speaking to you, so and this is the growth, or it has stopped growing, now let's put it into something else. I think that is what would really differentiate an agent from a financial planner.
Now it's like I can see that I have sown the seed, and the tree is growing now, and I do not know.
Now we see how money works for us. So they've shown us basically how to make money work for you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.